Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix CapCut smooth slow motion not working on mobile. So in here, I've already on CapCut, and let's say I want to have a smooth slow-mo in this videos. For example, here I'm going to make it slower 0.6 time, and I'm going to use a better quality, but I cannot do that and the smooth slow motion is not working. So what you need to do here is that you can try to go to the settings of CapCut, the app info. Sorry, you can just long press on the app, click on the app info, and after this you can go to the storage and cache, and first try to clear the cache. And after that, you can open CapCut again and see if the problem is fixed. You can check if the smooth slow-mo is working now, but if it's still not working, you can try to go back to the app info. Now you can try to clear the data or storage of CapCut. But if you do that, note it that you'll be logged out of CapCut, so you need to re-log in again. And after that, you can try to open the CapCut or relaunch the CapCut again. If it's still not working, you can try to uninstall the app first, and then you can go to the Google Play Store again and install CapCut again and then log in again. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.